The iconic Royal Palace of Madrid turned into a hub of wellness and rejuvenation as hundreds of yoga enthusiasts, Indian diaspora members, and Spanish citizens gathered together to celebrate the 12th International Day of Yoga.
Organized by the Embassy of India, this year's theme, Yoga for Healthy Aging, highlighted yoga's role in promoting physical and mental well being across generations. Around 1,000 participants performed the common yoga protocol featuring Surya Namaskar and Pranayam, underlining the growing popularity of yoga in Spain.
Unity between body and mind, between the individual and nature, between human beings themselves and the universe. In a world increasingly divided by noise and haste, yoga gently reminds us that true well-being begins with inner balance and that peace is not found outside but cultivated within.
Nowadays, yoga is one of the most important activities for a lot of people in Spain and in Madrid, and it's very important for health and happiness.
Several organizations like the Spanish Association of Kundalini Yoga, practitioners inspired by Sadhguru's teachings, and members of the ISKCON community showcased the diversity of yoga traditions embraced by Spain. The event concluded with devotional chants of Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, adding a spiritual touch to the celebrations.
And if you can chant this for like 5-10 minutes every day, it can make you very relaxed and take all your anxiety and depression and all the emotional blockages can be released.
Firstly, I think it's a great initiative taken by the embassy to showcase the art of yoga, the science of yoga, and educate people about it. And secondly, as an Indian, I feel very proud to be able to participate in an art that comes from India in a foreign land. The event has once again demonstrated the universal appeal of yoga and India's soft power on a global stage. The message from Spain is clear. Yoga is not just India's rich heritage. It is now an international movement promoting health and harmony. This is Atman Sandhu in Spain for DD India.